Hello, my name is Teresia Tesalonika Inara. You can call me Tere. At this time, I will explain about finding occupation. To find a job, that you first have to do is look for job vacancy either on the internet, newspaper, magazine, or your friends. When looking for job vacancy, we must look at the company's data source as what company it does business in, what the address is clear, and the position of the vacancy in accordance with our expertise. Example for job vacancy PT Daya Adicipta Motora. The company is engine in dealer for vehicles, and this is company is in West Java. After you find the perfect job, you start making application letter and also prepare your CV. After that, you also need a recommendation from your previous workplace or previous place of studying. So you must make a reference letter wrote by someone who wants to recommend you. The first one, job application letter, is a letter of application made by job seekers or job applicants to be sent to a business entity or agency to get a job or position in accordance with the job vacancy offered. In writing a job application letter, must as long that is polite, clear, and noteworthy. The applicant should also mention from the mass media where she obtained information about the vacancy. The letter model must be adapted to the office or company being applied for. This is very important because the correct letter model can affect the likelihood of being accepted by the applicant. Example application letter. The top write the title, their hit HRD PT Daya Adicipta Motora, and example opening words, content words, and closing words. Don't forget under the signature. The second, curriculum vitae, is a document that contains information about a person or a person's life story. Curriculum vitae does not only contain personal data, but also about the educational history, list of skill and work experience they have. If you are a fresh graduate and don't have work experience, you can add to the organized experience you've attended. Example curriculum vitae. The top write the title curriculum vitae. Example personal details, education details, computer skill, personality. And don't forget under the signature. The third, a reference letter, is a letter given by a school or company about someone who has attended school or work at an information provider. This is information contains personality, creativity, and so on. Letters of reference can be obtained from your office previous work, while for fresh graduate can be obtained from the campus you are studying. Example of a reference letter for fresh graduate. At the top, write the title and the name of the campus. Next, write the name that will be your reference and the name to be referenced. Next, example opening words, content words, and closing words. Don't forget under the signature of the person who give the reference letter. After completing the three documents, you can bring it to the company that you went to work for, and after that, just waiting for the telephone from the company to conduct an interview. It's all about finding occupation. Thank you for attention.